Hello guys, hope you're doing well. A few days back, I got my MRCP Part 1 result and it was an insane 930. I was surprised and people around me were even more surprised at how did I score that high. So they started asking me questions. Please share your secrets on scoring so high. So in this video, I will try to highlight the key areas that I think help me to score this much. So I will share the 5 key points or 5 key techniques to use to get a score like this. So the first technique is to solve a lot of questions. So what I did, I scored questions from past medicine, past test, and on exam from all 3 question banks, and all of them were online. So I didn't buy any hard copies or offline QBanks. So I solved them online. And the reason for that was to find out the weak areas. So whenever I'm solving questions, I'll definitely get some questions wrong and I'll work on them. And if I got repeatedly wrong in some questions, then I would work really hard on them. I would make specific notes, especially on this topic. So that takes us to the second point, that you have to identify the areas to work on and make some notes, especially the questions that you get repeatedly wrong. And those notes should be repeated again and again. So those are called spaced repetition. You can do it by writing or you can do it online. So the next important message, or the number 3 key points, or number 3 technique, is keep a text at your hand. And the text I followed is the Oxford Handbook of Medicine, which is very handy and which gives me a lot of pleasure in study. So I always, especially whenever I'm going through some tough topics, I always look up to the Oxford Handbook. And obviously that helped me clear a lot of the doubts. Then the number 4 secret or the key is do spaced repetition that I have already mentioned. You have to repeat the topics or the important facts that you are getting wrong. So repeat them again and again and again until you become a master. Then the 5th one is try to integrate between the topics. So try to find out the common areas between different topics and how they connect each other. Okay, so I will make another video where I will talk about how to study in an integrated fashion to have or to make connections between the different topics and different chapters of medicine. So that's all from me. Uh, Good luck for the ones who are sitting in October, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.